Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali from Acrylics, and today we're going to make a really nice painting called Love in the Clouds. It has some really nice colors and I'm sure you're going to really like it. So let's get right into it. The canvas I'm going to be using is the Fix Smith 8x8 canvas, so let's get started. Now this part is optional, but me personally, I like having tape all around the edges, just because when I'm done I have a nice clean look. Now I made a heart for fun. You obviously don't have to, but what you can do is take Magenta and start running it over the top of the canvas. I always say this in my videos, but make sure it's covering the entire top, all the edges, the cracks, make sure everything is covered. Now the second color is going to be in pastel Naples yellow, and this is just going to give it a nicer, creamier look. So use this with magenta for the middle of the canvas. Once you're done with that, we're going to blend the next color, which is pink. And you could use any pink you'd like, so I'm using standard pink. And you're just going to blend it into the magenta and Naples yellow. And I would always suggest going back and forth to make sure it looks nice and smooth. So the next color we're going to be using is Salmon Orange, and I'm doing the exact same thing I did before with the pink. I'm blending it from left to right, making sure I'm not missing any parts, and then I'm going to slowly blend it into the pink. Once the pink is entirely dried up, you're going to take pastel Naples yellow, put it on a sponge, and kind of make a cloudy heart shape in the middle. Now don't forget, these are clouds, so you don't want it to look like a perfect heart, so just make it look organic. Now once you're done with the outline, just fill in the heart. So now while you're waiting for the heart in the middle to dry up, you can make clouds on the side just for some support. These are clouds in the back, so they don't have to be detailed at all. You can make as many clouds as you like, but I would suggest making 3 or 4. Once the heart in the middle is dried up, you want to take pink and magenta and kind of go over the heart. The reason you're doing that is because you want to give it a bit of transparency to add more details later on. So once the pink is dried up, now we're going to add the details and we're going to make the first cloud. So what you're going to want to do is take a small brush, put some pastel Naples yellow, and start making cloudy shapes within the heart. In my opinion, the way clouds look good is when they look imperfect, so make sure they look organic and just have fun with this. You can see that each cloud I make looks different from the other ones, and that's kind of what makes clouds look nice. It's when they look different and unique. So keep doing this until you're satisfied with how many clouds are within the heart, and once you're happy, we'll move on to the side clouds. Now moving on to the side clouds, we want them to look a bit more like clouds, so what we're going to do is take Naples yellow and run over the top of the clouds. Now that you're done with the side clouds and the clouds in the middle are fully dried up, we're going to go for round 2 and adding more highlights. Take Naples yellow and only run by the top of the clouds that you made before. This is what's going to give them that 3D look. Something really important is not to go crazy with this step because you do want pink in the back because that's what gives it that cloudy look. This part is also optional, but what I'm doing is adding white highlights to certain clouds. I just want it to look like it's popping out more and look more 3D, so you can do this as well. You can see that I'm being very meticulous about how much white I put, and I'm putting very less and only on the top. If you overdo this, it can ruin the clouds. Now it's time to add some stars, but I don't want to get stars on my cloud, so I'm literally just taking tissue paper and using it to cover it, and then I'm just going to add some stars. The way you want to add stars is take a big brush, put some white on it and a little bit of water, and then start flicking it with your thumb. You can choose how many stars you want to put, it's totally up to you, and that's what's fun about this painting. Make it your own. So for the bottom of the painting, I just want it to be impressions of clouds. So I'm taking Naples yellow and a bit of salmon orange, and I'm kind of just making shapes of clouds. You can see that they're very undetailed. And now we're just going to add some manual stars, and the way to do this is super easy. You're going to take some magenta and a bit of pink and kind of make a silhouette first. And then what you're going to do is keep adding slight bit of white in the middle and then blending it. And you're going to do this over and over again until you got your look. Now just to give this painting a bit more personality, I'm going to add 2 people sitting on the cloud. You can do whoever you'd like. I'm just going to do a boy and a girl. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know what else you'd like to see and I'd love to make it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It would really help out my channel and I'd really appreciate it. If you have any other concerns or questions, let me know in the comments below. My TikTok and Instagram are going to be in the description. So if you remake this, please show it to me. I'd love to see it. Take care, guys.